Manipur ki education sector da ngasi Ahongba kaya Purakpa Ngamlibasi ojah Singna Kathokpa amaga Loinana Thabak Toubagini maheini haina state ki thakta pangthokpa teachers day ki thouram da Education Minister Th Basantakumar na phongdorakli Manipur lenga ke Department of Education Singna MSFDS ke Palace Auditorium da pangthokpa state level Teachers Day celebration ki thouram adada Education Department ki Commissioner H Gyan Prakash University and Higher Education ke Director Dr. Rangitabali Waikhom amadi Education SK Director L Nandakumar na President Member Singh oina sarugya ke thouram aduga mari lengna lenga ki tongan ba school gi ojah tarukta State Teachers Award lanthokna ikai khumna bu ke State Teachers Award pangthokpa ojah Singh adudi Athokpam Junior High School gi primary teacher Lisam Roma Changangai Junior High School ki Arts Graduate Teacher CH Damayanti Ningthokong Higher Secondary School ki Arts Graduate Teacher Akoizam Sundari Mau Maram Higher Secondary School ki Science Graduate Teacher Rizio Adahe Model Higher Secondary School ki Principal P Nipendro Amadi Irang Part 2 Government High School ki Hindi Graduate Teacher Binod Kumar Sarmane State Teachers Award lanthokpa asida sel oina lupa lising yankay ga loina memento appreciation certificate sing yauri State Teachers Award lanthokpa asiga loina na chahi asigi bosem kosem na loba exam sing the subject topper puthokpa ngamkhra tongan ba school gi ojah sing da mementos amadi appreciation certificate sing khusina ke masiga iruina bosem kosem na loba exam sing da mahairui topper puthokpa ngamkhiba school sing gi headmaster principal sing da mementos amadi appreciation certificate sing piduna pukning thogat ke thouram aduda Education Minister Th Basantakumar na Chief Minister's Award for Educational Excellence 2024 for Education you launched Kathokpaga Loinana Award asigi Makhada College Nipanda Hairiba Award ase lanthoke Chief Minister's Award for Educational Excellence 2024 Pangthokpa College Sing adude Ahanbada Manipur College Ani Subada Don Bosco College Maram amadi Ahum Subada Thobal College ne Makok Mathang Takraba College Sing asida sel oina lupa lakh manga lakh ahum amadi lakh ani ke senfam ga kwanana memento amadi appreciation certificate sing lanthoke masiga iroinana Kamakhya Pempton College, S. Kula Women's College, Waikomani Girls College, Mount Everest College, Amadi S. Paul Manipur Women's College, Ta Lupa Lak Amamamga Luina Memento Amadi, Appreciation Certificate Sing Kusina K, Thouram Aduda Education Minister Th Basantakumar Hai, National Achievement Survey 2021 da State Asina, Singthaningai Oiba Minchat Kaya Fangba Ngamla K, Chahi Ahum Khudinge Class 3, 5, 8 amadi 10 gi oina pangthokpa survey asida Manipur na national average tige wang nile class 3 gi oina national average ta chada yankhai mapan lebada Manipur na chada humfu mapan dasmik nipan yoke class 5 ki oina national average 49 lebada state asina chada yankhai matwa dasmik mangalei Class 8 da National Average nifu matoi dasmik mapan lebada Manipur na chada nifu manga dasmik mari yobang ngamki aduga Class 10 gi oina chada kuntra tare dasmik nipan National Average oibada State asina chada kuntra mapan dasmik ama yoduna mangjal thaba State singi manungda yawbang ngamki National Achievement Survey 2021 gi makada Manipur na Northeast State singi manungda makok thongba State amasu oibang ngamli haina Minister Basantakumar na makatana phongdoke
pass rate sing as I surprise ozame amna koina deserve say atai ginati 100% pass through it's something to be proud of 100% pass percentage lag say see my I think personal view is that akogi toppers in putapusu am important to have but at the same time akogi lower yamna perform to bungam the school sing aduga students sing say moisu pukhat pirapasina ba aduga certain level the equal level am the pukhatlaga channi na ba say tg higher c jonaston higher c impal mayonda lebani in the right in the heart of the city even though this time Kaching Higher Secondary is done very well adu also akoina honagadobadi remote area da leriba primary schools in ojala henba yamna remote area hills who high gumsi it's like let's not divide our state into hill valley and all that aduna akoi remote area hai se kara thapa area da leriba sida ojah sing karmaina lehengadage haibsisu challenge amani